I bought 10,000 Kaspa and I'm gonna be a millionaire very soon. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are gonna be talking about Kaspa, and in this video I'm gonna be telling you some interesting facts and some of the latest news regarding the project. So make sure you guys watch this entire video. Anyways, now with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, as you can see, we have recently closed multiple trades with profits of over 400% on this one and profits of 227% on this one, which we have just closed today. If you guys want to achieve similar profit levels for yourself, make sure you guys join up my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Anyways, now with that being said, let's jump back to Kaspa and let me first of all show you the charts for the project. So guys, as of this moment, as you guys already know, we are in this massive Elliott wave structure which includes 5 waves towards the upside. Now the third wave was already completed right over here, which formed this high of about 0.052. However guys, ever since then we went into this wave 4 towards the downside, and after that we have started to pump up in this wave 5 towards the upside. Now guys, it's really hard to say the targets per Kaspa in this wave 5 because this is the first time that Kaspa is going to be getting to these price levels right over here. We are very close to the Kaspa's all-time high, so this is very good news. And I am hearing a lot of good news regarding the project. A lot of new investors are also joining the project, and when all of this combines into one, this just shows us that the project is doing really good, and this is a project which should be on everyone's target as of this moment. Now, I do believe that if Kaspa is unable to break this target at this gray line right over here at a price of about 0.052, which is also the latest all-time high for Kaspa, we might see a downfall towards the downside, where we might even retest towards this level right over here at a price of about 0.043. Now guys, I'm going to be completely honest. I personally think that this is not going to be the scenario that Kaspa is going to be running into, and we should be expecting higher prices per Kaspa because things have been looking really bullish for the project in general. Now, a lot of sources are telling us that Bitcoin is also preparing for a massive move, and the same thing is going to be happening with Ethereum as well. So I believe that if Bitcoin and Ethereum decide to pump towards the upside, we might see a massive move in the price of Kaspa as well. Because in the end, guys, all of these low cap cryptos are attached to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the way they move, basically that is how these projects also tend to move as well. Now, Kaspa, even though Bitcoin has been going sideways and also falling for the longest time, even though that has been happening, but as you can see that Kaspa has been maintaining a really good price action, and as of this moment also, I believe it is giving us better gains than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. So I think that this is a really good investment opportunity. I had been calling Kaspa, when we were at these levels right over here. So, had you bought at these levels right over here, you would have already made profits of about 7x on your money or about 6x on your money, which is really good to see. However, guys, the road is not over and we are just starting. So make sure you guys, get started into this project if you guys want to make some serious money. Now, as for the next targets for myself, I believe Kaspa has the potential to reach a price level of about 0.07. This is going to be the most likely scenario Kaspa is going to be getting to in the shorter time frames, and in the next coming 2 to 3 months, we might even see a 0.1 Kaspa, and this is going to be really massive for all the Kaspa investors out there, and this is something which I think is going to be happening sooner or later, so make sure you guys are on the lookout for this as well. Now, as for some of the latest news, I want to cover and basically compare Ethereum with Kaspa. So guys, Ethereum is 15 times slower than Kaspa. So basically, we are able to do transactions on Ethereum, and we are also able to do transactions on Kaspa. However, there is Ethereum, which is 15 times slower than Kaspa. Now, which project are you going to be choosing for doing any sorts of transactions? Well, my choice is going to be Kaspa, to be completely honest. ETH is way more expensive than Kaspa. Now, take an example, guys. Let's say, you do transactions in your entire lifetime, and you are not even going to be spending like $10 at max throughout your lifetime. How is that going to be sounding for transaction cost as compared to Ethereum, where sometimes even when you do transactions of about 100 $200, you get hit with a fees of about $10 to $20, even $30 in the starting days. I believe Casper is way ahead in terms of speed and in terms of how much more expensive Ethereum is, and that is what makes Casper superior in the day number one. Ethereum is also more centralized. It is a proof of stake mechanism, whereas Casper is not a proof of stake mechanism. It's a proof of work mechanism as of this moment, which is really good to see. Now, the major reason behind the cryptocurrencies is for them to be decentralized, and because Ethereum is more centralized, it is defeating the purpose of the cryptocurrency market themselves. It isn't also a fair launch mechanism because a lot of new holders are getting wrecked by all the people who have been holding Ethereum for the longest time now. Just wait, the DAG Knight and Rust Lang, Casper will be at non-comparable level. Now, even right now, Casper is way beyond, Ethereum's level in terms of speed, in terms of, the transaction cost, in terms of centralization, and the fair launch as well. But we haven't even got started yet, and I believe that the rally is just beginning, and we are going to be seeing some massive moves by Caspa in the coming times. So guys, also be on the lookout, guys, that Caspa as of right now is ranked 44th by the market cap without the participation of many top tier exchanges. Now, yes, guys, Kaspa, even though it's a top 44 project in terms of market cap, it hasn't been listed on some of the top tier exchanges out there. Now, be on the lookout, guys, because I believe that 99% of you watching this video, the exchange you guys are using is going to be mentioned right over here. So we don't have Binance on Kaspa, no Coinbase, no Kraken, no Bitstamp, no Bitfinex, no Huobi, no Gemini, no Crypto.com, no OKX, no Bittrex, and the list goes on and on. Now imagine, guys, when all of these exchanges start listing Caspa, and when the people who are using these exchanges, who want to invest in Caspa but are unable to do so because they don't have money on some shady exchange, and they and their own exchange is not really offering Caspa for buying and selling. But when Caspa gets listed onto these top tier exchanges, we are expecting a massive boom in the price of Caspa. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that as well. By the way, guys, if you want to make some serious profits while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. I want to show you 3 trades where we closed profits of 128% on this one, profits of 430 on this one, and just today we closed the trade with a profit of about 227%. This is what we do time and time and again. And if you guys want to be a part of this, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. Once you join the group, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are making $5,000 to about $10,000 every single month simply by following my trade signals. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.